Join me as I challenge myself to find and explore the most hidden gems of Sri Lanka that most tourists never get to see. Sri Lanka, a land of rich history, diverse landscapes, and an allure that beckons you to uncover its hidden treasures. This island nation in the Indian Ocean is a treasure trove waiting to be explored, and I'm excited to take you on this journey with me. When we think of Sri Lanka, we often think of popular tourist spots like Sigiriya, Cave Temple, and Mirissa Beach. And while these places are undoubtedly breathtaking, there's so much more to Sri Lanka beyond these usual attractions. In fact, many of us might be guilty of just scratching the surface of this incredible country, without really diving deeper into its hidden corners. But what if I told you that there's a whole other side of Sri Lanka, waiting to be discovered, hidden from the prying eyes of mass tourism? It's the side that locals know and love, but rarely share with outsiders. The side that's authentic, raw, and unbridled. It's the side that beckons you to venture off the beaten path, to explore the unseen, and to experience the untold stories of this beautiful island. And that's exactly what I set out to do, to venture beyond the guidebooks, beyond the tour groups, and into the heart of Sri Lanka's hidden gems. From undiscovered beaches to quaint villages, and from ancient ruins to unique cultural experiences, Sri Lanka has so much to offer beyond the usual tourist trail. And I'm excited to share some of these hidden gems with you, in the hope that it inspires you to plan your own Sri Lankan adventure. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, on a secluded beach that few tourists ever get to see. Imagine strolling through a traditional village, where time stands still, and locals welcome you with open arms. Imagine immersing yourself in a cultural experience that's authentic, raw, and emotional, one that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. One such experience that stands out in my mind is the time I stumbled upon a secluded monastery in the hills of Sri Lanka. It was a place where time seemed to stand still, where monks went about their daily rituals with quiet devotion, and where the air was thick with an otherworldly energy. As I walked through the monastery's grounds, I felt a sense of peace, of calm, and of connection to something deeper. It was as if I had stumbled upon a hidden doorway to Sri Lanka's soul, a doorway that few tourists ever get to see. And in that moment, I knew that I had to share this experience with the world, to inspire others to venture beyond the usual tourist haunts, and to discover the hidden gems of this incredible country. So, that's exactly what I did. I delved deeper, explored further, and uncovered more of Sri Lanka's hidden treasures. And I'm excited to share some of these experiences with you, in the hope that it inspires you to plan your own Sri Lankan adventure. So, let's recap the hidden gems we've discussed today, from secluded beaches to ancient ruins, and from quaint villages to unique cultural experiences. These are the kinds of experiences that will make your Sri Lankan journey truly unforgettable, truly authentic, and truly life-changing. Thanks for joining me on this journey, guys. If you've got your own hidden gems in Sri Lanka, be sure to share them with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for some amazing destinations and experiences from around the world.